To install SAASPASS Mobile Application, go to Play Store, then search for SAASPASS, and then click on the install button. Wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is finished, click on the Open button. Now we are waiting for the SAASPASS to be installed. Now create your 4-digit PIN that will be required every time that you will start the application. Now click on the Get Started to create your new SAASPASS ID. Another important thing to do is to not forget to set your recovery number. After adding your mobile number, you will receive an SMS code which you will be required to enter in order to finish the verification of your mobile number. Once you populate the code, press on confirm, and your mobile number is verified. Now you have active recovery number set. If we open the application now, we will enter the 4-digit PIN, and this is the tutorial which explains everything about the SAASPASS mobile application. And now you can see your SAASPASS ID on the top of the mobile application, the embedded barcode scanner, also the one-time password, and that's it for the installation of the SAASPASS mobile application.